Hey guys, I've got another parable for you today. So this one's called Fire Sale. Right, so a marketer goes outside the store, takes a bunch of rugs, puts them on the ground and sets fire to them. The fire's going up, there's smoke everywhere and people are gathering around and they say, "Why are you burning these rugs?" And he says, "Oh, I've got to get rid of everything in my store because tomorrow I've got new stock coming in, so everything must go by tonight." And people buy, and by the evening there is nothing left in the store. This is because urgency drives sales, right? This is fear of missing out. So, for example, if you do run a sale where you say it's the last chance to get these items before they are gone, and I don't advise you setting fire to things in the public space, that's not a good idea. You can do something like this on a social media advert, saying, well, we're getting rid of all of our stock, we're going to have it get rid of it by this date. So this will drive sales because of the fear of missing out. We do this a lot in marketing. We use many different things. We use like social proof notifications. We use all sorts of techniques to sell. Saying, oh, it's your last chance to get hold of these specific items. But make sure you never lie to a customer. You need to be consistently honest with them. So when it comes down to it, it is a good way to drive profit and to help make sure that your sales, well, everything is sold before you have to get rid of it, because nobody likes wasted business. Anyway, I hope that you're having a lovely day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.